As operators upgrade their networks to 5G technology, dynamic spectrum sharing promotes a smooth transition for operators and end users. 4G technology and equipment is projected to coexist with 5G for several years, so users must still be able to tap 4G technology. Consider the case of an operator who has 20 MHz of spectrum. If the operator simply divided that allocation into separate parts, say 50-50, both 4G and 5G users would be limited to 10 MHz of spectrum each. While this may seem like an equitable approach, the number of 4G users currently far outnumbers 5G users, and scenarios might reverse in the next few years. Sharing the spectrum between the two based on traffic demands is a more efficient use of that finite resource. Enter dynamic spectrum sharing. Dynamic spectrum sharing allows operators to dynamically allocate bandwidth between 4G and 5G traffic requirements. Leveraging advanced software, 5G deployments can coexist along LTE bands with seamless accessibility for both 4G and 5G equipment. While not a mandate for 5G deployments, dynamic spectrum sharing allows the technology to be deployed far more quickly while minimizing disruptions for 4G users. The result is a far more efficient utilization of spectrum and a better user experience during the transition from 4G to 5G. To deploy dynamic spectrum sharing effectively, operators use scanning receivers capable of testing both 4G with DSS and 5G coverage simultaneously. PCTEL is a leading provider of advanced scanning receivers, accurately detecting signal quality so that operators can deploy dynamic spectrum sharing with confidence. Better and faster 5G deployments depend on dynamic spectrum sharing. Make sure your deployment is up to speed.